Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your UMPQUA Bank credit card online. To do so, firstly go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. On the search box, search for www.umpquabank.com and then press enter. This will take you to the website. UMPQUA Bank is a full-service bank headquartered in Portland, Oregon, USA. This bank is recognized for its community involvement, innovative approach to banking, and commitment to customer service. Now, to log in to credit cards, you will have to go to your login button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're here, you can see numerous options you may choose to log in. There's firstly personal banking, business banking, credit card, and all other logins, which will show you other options you may log into. In any case, if you don't have an account yet, you may click on the Start Here link below. Now, to log into your credit card, you will have to scroll up and then click on the credit card option. Once you do so, it will take you to the login portal to log into your credit card online. Here, you'll have to enter your username and password by entering your username in the first text box. Then, you may click on the box right below your username text box to make sure that the website of UMPQUA Bank remembers you. Then, you may enter your password as well. If you need any help in logging into your account, then you may click on the Get Login Help link right below the login button. Once you make sure that you've entered both your details correctly, then you may click on the login button in green to proceed. This is how you may simply log into your UMPQUA Bank credit card online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.